kind of a long-standing tradition. Anytime we are done for the night and sleepy, we decide that, you know what, we don't care about what happens to the boat. We just want to have some fun. So we decided to do that this night. We see that there is a Fort of Fortune with a brig currently active, and as we approach it, as you can see, there's the brig, and over to the left, we have a sloop. So the only thing that we had planned is that we're going to ram the brig. We're going to ring the bell to let them know that we're coming, and that's it. Here we go.
Loop.
Well, usually when we ram, there's
Ring a
somebody.
bell. Ring a bell.
All right, yeah. The other sloop is ramming too.
Nice.
Gonna kill him.
The
Alright,
sleep or the break?
the sloop.
Alright, I'll do the same thing.
Alright, the sloop, they're dead.
Are they? Oh, nice.
Got a couple swipes on him.
Oh, I have a lot of curse balls.
Fire on the sloop.
Oh, somebody's here, somebody's here. Oh, I'm dead.
I killed him.
I'm not happy they're coming back. The sleep should be back soon.
See if you can finally take on the island. Check out their main mast.
It's just fucking wailing on him. Oh, he's back. He's
Yeah,
back.
yeah,
Shit,
he
he
is.
just killed me.
Alright. He tried to get me. So the brig sank.
Killed one on the sleep.
Okay. Coming up too.
Both dead.
Alright.
Uh,
Good job, guys.
Firebomb, watch out.
Yeah, let's sink this shit. I'm gonna raise anchor.
Oh shit. Shit. Who's hitting me?
I don't know, it's not me. This ain't even our
Oh.
boat. Hey
Oh,
guys,
yeah, it
this
is.
is not our boat. This is the guys who rammed you. This is their boat.
I'm dead in the front. You reviving?
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm gonna die.
oh yeah, I'm at a different island.
Did you hear him?
Did you say?
He said, so
What'd
what
he
the
say?
fuck just happened, bro?
That's funny.
That's awesome. Did their boat sink?
Yeah,
These guys?
The sloop?
is our boat sank?
Yeah, our boat sank. I'm at an island.
No survivors.
Here's-
One down.
That was crazy.
Other guys up there.
Got him.
Nice.
He's in midair.
That's our arena training
So
pay.
the guys
Yes,
just
it is.
on the
Yeah.
the guys just on the island. Are all the boats gone?
The sloop is still up, but it won't be
Oh.
gone.
Shooting from the island? Yeah.
Yeah, somebody is.
What was that?
Alright. Hey, do you guys want to form an alliance?
Nice shot.
Oh, what just happened?
Alex just killed him after he's like, gonna form an alliance and he shot him and killed him. There's somebody, there's
Yeah,
somebody on the
somebody's
tower.
Yeah. We're coming, boy.
The sloop sink?
Yeah. Yeah, all the boats. Oh.
Oh!
It was just
Damn
skellies.
it.
It wasn't actually a player, it was just skellies.
And there was
Oh,
a fucking
that's
keg
funny.
right up in the platform.
Yep.
We did.
Alright.